Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca and this is Bianca's World, where I make costumes and I crochet and pretty much make whatever pops into my mind. Today I'm going to teach you how I made my Jiffy Pop popcorn costume. I made this one last year for a costume ball that was being hosted by Coppertop Inc. on Instagram. I'll put her handle here below so that you can see it and check her out, please, because she is amazing. But yes, she was hosting this costume ball last year, and one of the prompts was popcorn. So I decided I want to be a Jiffy Pop popcorn. And this is what it ended up looking like. It was really cute and really big. So I used big pieces of cardboard to make this one. The one that I made this time for this video is going to be a little bit smaller because my boxes were not as big. So I used what I had around the house. If you want your costume to be nice and full and big like mine was last year, make sure that your cardboard pieces are longer before you start. When you get your box, open it up completely, and you're going to take the long pieces of cardboard. You can use, like let's say from this end to this end, and of course this is just a miniature version of the actual boxes that you will be using. This is like a shoe box, but I wanted to show you because I don't think I filmed this, sorry. But you're going to cut this out first, and those are going to be your strips of cardboard that you will make into the costume at the end. So again, the longer the pieces, the better the curve, the bigger your Jiffy Pop costume will be. All right, so let's get started, and I can't wait to see all of your costumes at the end. Please, if you like this, like, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram. I can be found as Mrs. Bebo on Instagram, and I'll put that here. So yeah, let's get started and let's make some popcorn. Go ahead and grab your piece of cardboard and start rolling it all the way down. It's actually a lot easier than you think because it has some ridges. So just go ahead and roll that cardboard all the way down, and you're going to do this a lot. So make sure you grab them all and start rolling all the ones that you need. Grab some glue that's safe for you to use. I use Elmers glue, and a couple of binder clips. You're going to grab some cardboard and spread a triangle shape of glue on one of the corners of your cardboard. Grab the other one and make sure that it is kind of at an angle so you will have an opening. Get your binder clip. It's a little tough to open, but grab your binder clip and make sure that you spread your cardboard open and paste it like that. You're going to do this with all of the pieces and make sure that you have a nice round shape. Because my cardboard was different lengths, it's a bit oval, but either way, I think it still looks pretty good. Once the bottom is fully glued, grab some more glue and put it at the top portion of your Jiffy Pop. Do the same thing with a little triangle. Attach your other piece of cardboard and hold it with a binder clip. This allows it to hold while you're working on the other sections. Now that our piece is dry, we're going to grab our aluminum and make sure that you get long enough strips so you can wrap your structure with. What I do is I grab the aluminum and make sure that I fold it with like inside of the cardboard, both on the top and the bottom, and making sure that it gets a smoother, well, not that smooth because Jiffy Pop is never fully smooth, but make sure that it wraps around and covers all of the openings that we have from our circle. Because it's really easy to use, just go ahead and morph that aluminum in the shape that you want. And as you're doing this, make sure that some of the pieces of your aluminum stick out at the top, because Jiffy Pop always has that little opening where you get all the popcorn out. Just keep those open for a bit. And because we want it to look a little bit more realistic, I went ahead and grabbed a couple more pieces of aluminum and made them into little squares. And I put those at the top edge to make it look more like we've just opened that Jiffy Pop up, so we can grab all of the popcorn from inside. Funny story, I had never had Jiffy Pop until last year. It was pretty good. So when you're making this, make sure that you're doing it as if you're ready to dig into your favorite popcorn. Jiffy Pop, sponsor me, please. So now that we've wrapped our little box in aluminum, we're going to make sure that we cut a hole through all of the pieces. So the aluminum and the cardboard, we're going to make 4 holes so that we can tie some string through each one of them, because that's how we're going to be able to wear our piece. Make sure you have a good strong knot so that your piece does not fall while you're wearing it out. To make our popcorn, we're going to paint some sheets of paper yellow and scrunch it up. Make quite a few pieces so you have enough to cover your shirt. Grab your t-shirt and your hot glue gun and put some hot glue on one of your popcorns and just paste it on your t-shirt. Put as many as you'd like on your shirt. You can use all or just a few.
Hi everyone! So this is the final product. You have your popcorn shirt and your aluminum Jiffy Pop bottom. I put a little popcorn here on my head just for fun, and here I am next to the real thing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. If you do make it, please share it with me on Instagram. My name is @Mrs. 𝐕𝐚𝐬 on Instagram. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.